is 2. That is what we are going to find out. By valency of mercury, we know it is 2, but how we are going to find out that valency 2, that we will measure here. So we have a concentration cell equation. What is the equation to measure the concentration cell? E cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log of C2 by C1. So log of C2 by C1 is nothing but concentration of anode and concentration of cathode. So substitute the values for gas constant, temperature, and N we are going to find out, and Faraday's constant. If you substitute the values for all these values, all these constants, then we'll have a equation 0.029. E cell give is given 0.029129 is equal to 2.303 into 8.314 into 291 divided by n into 96,500 log of 0.01 by 0.001. So next, after substituting, calculate, we'll end up with the equation last, that is 0.029 is equal to 5571.8 n into 96,500 into 1. Have you calculated? Are you getting the same or you are getting the different?
Ma'am, I have got 2.03.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have got 2.03. But that means I have taken the equation as 0.0591 by n.
Fine. Okay, no issues. Maybe here you have taken 298 because if you substitute 298, you will get 0.0591. We have substituted here as 291. That is the small difference. That is why you got the small difference, 2.3. No issues. But in and around, you have got nearby 2, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Nearby 2 values. So the valency of mercury is 2. So nothing to worry. You have got the valency 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So next problem. Write down the next problem. Write down this next problem. EMF of the cell, platinum hydrogen electrode. Platinum hydrogen electrode here. Platinum hydrogen electrode, single slash H plus. What is the concentration of H plus? 10 raised to minus 6 molar, double slash H plus ion X and H2 minus Pt, that is platinum.
Ma'am, where is the question?
Third is there no EMF of the cell. Calculate the value of X. Can't you see? See now?
Yes, ma'am. That's visible.
Written question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, after writing this, what they have given? They have given what? They have given EMF of the cell is given, that is 0.0118 is given, and you have to calculate the X concentration. You have to calculate. Calculate X means you have to calculate the C2, that is a cathodic species. That is C2 you have to calculate. So what you have to calculate? X you have to calculate. C1 value is given. C1 is 10 raised to minus 6 is given. N is the value. N is how much for platinum? 2. Platinum you are given as a, if you are taking as a hydro, since it is hydrogen electrode, Pt and H plus ions, only one electron is liberating. N we are taking as 1. And what is the EMF of the cell is given? That is 0.0118. 0.118. So write the equation for a constant. This is the concentration cell, correct? Both the electrodes are same. Both are platinum hydrogen electrodes. Hence, we take that as a electrode. So write the equation. E of concentration cell is equal to 0.0591, 0.0591, 0.0591 by n log of C2 by C1. So substitute the values. E of concentration cell is 0.118 is equal to 0.0591 by 1 log of x divided by 10 raised to minus 6. Substituted. After substitution, if you calculate, see, it is very simple. 0.0118 is equal to 0.0591 log of, take 10 raised to minus 6 to the numerical. It becomes 10 raised to 6 plus 10 raised to 6 plus, right? Then 10 raised to 6. Then substitute. After substitution, after writing this, calculate what is the log of 10 raised to 6. See, here you have taken. Take log of 10 raised to 6x to the right left hand side is equal to 0.118 by 0.0591. That becomes 1.996. So x retains as it is. Anti-log of 1.9966 divided by 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 is you have got there. So what is the value for anti-log? How to calculate the anti-log? How to calculate the anti-log?
Ma'am, e power the value which you have.
E power the value. Which value?
1 point
99.22 divided by 10 raised to 6. Whatever the value you have got, that value you have to set, right? So what is the value you have got? Is that right? What you are getting? 9.9 into 10 raised to minus 5 m. Are you getting the same?
ma'am, there is a mistake actually, ma'am. It will be 10 power something, ma'am. The number. Because
Okay.
it's log, ma'am. We have already 0.
Log base is 6. That's why anti-log is 10 to the power 1.9966 upon 10 to the power 6, man. X.
What is?
Ma'am, the
What is-
value of anti-log is 1.
Okay. 9.9 is nothing but 1 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 5 molar you are getting, or what you are getting? How much you are getting? That what I'm asking.
Ma'am, I'm getting 1 into 10 to the power 5.
10 to the power of 5.
5.
1 into 10 to the power of 5. 1.0 or 1 exactly 1.
1.0, ma'am.
Okay, that is okay, fine. Here I have got 9.9 into 10 raised to minus 5 molar. All are getting the same answer or different? All are getting the same answer or different? Anyone, any others? Girls
I've got nearby that value, ma'am.
nearby that value. Here 9.9 nearby that value or a different?
Oh, I got 9.87.
Okay, good.
Just
No
nearby.
problem. Nearby, no issues. Others? Others. If you don't answer, I should call everyone and I have to ask, what is this? Simply I am asking, keep on asking, and you people are sitting quiet. Only 2 or 3 people are interacting in the class. I don't know whether others are listening or not. Girls, nobody is responding. What is this? Tell me fast. Others are getting the same answer or wrong answer. Are you able to solve the problems? Are not any difficulties there? Got, ma'am. You got? Who is that?
Yes, ma'am, got answer. 9.92 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Yes, okay. At least you have to unmute yourself and answer, right? I'll be asking and you people sitting quiet. It doesn't look good. Fine. We'll go to the next. Shall we go to next? Write down next problem. Calculate the pH of the solution. Calculate the pH of the solution of the given cell. Calculate the pH of the solution of the given cell platinum HCl 0.1 normal / glass hydrogen unknown solution / KCl 1 normal Hg2Cl2 / Hg. Given E cell is equal to 0.432 volts and E naught G is equal to 0.0131 volts. Written. So what they are asking us to calculate? They are asking us to calculate pH of the solution. They have given everything. They have given what? They have given this. They have given the cell. They have given the E cell value also. They have given E naught of glass electrode value is also given. So we will find out how to solve this. So the next is E cell is how much they have given? 0.432. E naught G is how much? 0.0131 volts. So calomel electrode one normal calomel electrode value is 1 normal. So what is the equation to calculate the pH? pH is equal to E cell minus E of SCE standard calomel electrode minus E naught of G. Substitute all those values and you will get what is the pH. Understood? Are you getting the equation?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the equation, pH is equals to E naught G minus E cell minus ESCE by 0.0591. Ma'am, the energy we have, E cell we have. So what is the value of ESC?
ESC, there I have written, see, one normal calomel electrode. That means one. That all one normal calomel electrode is, we have, that is the standard value. We should remember that calomel electrode value. It is
Yes.
not very. See, if you have taken 0.1 normal calomel electrode, there is some value. For one normal calomel electrode is given is 0.2810 value. This is standard value. Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. I think nobody observed that. That is why I was waiting for the question.
Ma'am, what value you told that one? Point?
0.2810 is the value for the one normal calomel electrode. That is the standard value. You should remember. Clear? Usually pH, to calculate the pH, they will not ask you in the exam, because since it is there in your practical class, by chance in one question paper I saw this question. That is why I have added up, because it's not leave. Because very easy it is. Correct? Very
Yes.
easy to solve. Okay. Fine. Shall we go to the next? All of you got the answer. The same pH 2.33 or yes.
Ma'am, here that 0.1 normal is there. That is equals to 1 molar only, ma'am, here for the HCl and HCl.
Huh?
That 0.1 normal is equals to 0.1 molar for HCl and HCl only, ma'am.
0.0131 this one E naught of G value, correct?
No, I'm talking about the normality is there, no, ma'am. 0.1 normality is given for the HCl, the concentration.
Concentration of what?
HCl and KCl is given 0.1 normal and 1 normal.
That is standard solution, no? That is standard HCl solution, KCl. We
Okay,
are
so
taking,
we don't have to.
we don't have to substitute here. See, whatever the value is given, what is they are asking? They are asking us to calculate only pH. For that, what is required? Only that values you have to substitute.
So,
Correct?
okay, so we don't have to use these values.
Use this,
Only,
use, yes.
yes, ma'am. So,
We
Ma'am,
don't
now
have
what
to use
is
here.
the answer given?
What?
Ma'am, what is the answer given?
pH is equal to 2.33.
2.33. Okay.
Are you getting the same after calculating?
No, ma'am, I'm getting different.
What you are getting? How you got the different?
Ma'am, let me calculate once again, please.
Yes, others. What about others? I may be wrong in doing. You just calculate. If you get the correct, no issues. Fast. We have to solve. Don't take too much time. You have to do it fast. No, still many problems are there. Anybody got the same answer 2.33 or different?
1.84.
Got?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that you are saying?
2.33.
Huh?
2.3.
Don't do such kind of things in the class. Sarcastic way you are doing it. Write down the next problem. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the following. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the following.
Excuse, ma'am.
Calculate. Yes.
Question is not visible on the screen, ma'am. The previous page is visible on the screen.
Which one? Now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, right. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the following cell. Zinc slash Zn2 plus double slash Cu2 plus 1 molar. Both the side, what is 1 molar? Single slash copper. So what is given? Given is E naught of zinc electrode is equal to minus 0.76 volts and E naught of copper is equal to 0.34 volts is given. Okay. So what are given? The concentration of zinc is given, the concentration of copper is given, and E naught value is given for zinc, and E naught of value for copper is also given. Based on that, we have to calculate what is the equilibrium constant. So equilibrium constant, that means log K we have to find out. So what is the equation to calculate the log K, that is equilibrium constant? Log K is equal to N of E naught cell divided by 0.0591. Write down this equation. N log K is equal to N of E naught cell divided by 0.0591. First, you have to find out E naught cell. What is the value of E naught cell? How to find out E naught or EMF of the cell is nothing but E of cathode minus E of anode. So write that 0.34 minus of minus 0.76, you will get 1.1 volts. Log of K is equal to what? Log of K is equal to 2 into 1.1 divided by 0.0591. So K is the value, equilibrium constant K is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to 37. Are you getting after calculation? Mahendra RM? Mahendra RM? Mahendra? Mahendra? Mahendra, talk to me. See, all these people are simply we are passing the time in the class. Why should I consider them for the attendance? I'm seriously going to mark absent if you are not answering. Akram? Akram? Muhammad Akram? Ritika Reddy? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the same answer or different?
Same I got, ma'am.
Are you calculating?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Mohan, JN. Mohan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you got answer?
1.7 into 10 to the power of 32.
What?
Aminul Islam. Aminul Islam.
Yes, ma'am.
How much you got the answer?
I'm solving it, ma'am.
Fine. Solve. Solve and report me. Meghana BR. Yes, Pushkar.
Ma'am, I'm getting something different answer. I
How
mean,
you are-
I'm getting, ma'am, 1.467 into 10 to power 16.
how you will get? See, check out once.
Same answer, ma'am. 1.67 into 10 to the power 37.
1.6 you are getting.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
do the
1 point.
anti-log? Anti-log.
Yes, ma'am.
After doing anti-log, you are getting this answer.